Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beer on Ark, Survival Ascended. Gather water, grain, and yeast, and prioritize a sheltered brewing spot near a reliable heat source. Focus on efficiency, multiple fermenters speed production, and reduce idle time. Keep backup ingredients stored in a chested area and label them for quick access. I'll walk you through each stage so you can brew steadily and enjoy consistent batches with minimal fuss. In this video, I will show how to make beer on Ark, Survival Ascended. First, stockpile water and grain as your base ingredients and obtain yeast or spoiled fruit for fermentation. Make sure you have a fermenter and containers to hold the final product, plus a campfire or furnace for consistent heat. Position everything for easy transfer between storage and the fermenter to streamline cycles and prevent ingredient loss during busy play sessions. In this video, I will show how to make beer on Ark, Survival Ascended. Load the fermenter with correct ratios of water, grain, and yeast, then start fermentation and note the completion time. Maintain heat by keeping a campfire nearby and rotate small batches to create a steady output rhythm. Always remove finished beer promptly and replace with fresh ingredients so your supply never drops, making it easy to support tames, events, or trading needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.